Kaya pala.
Allow me to start with some pick-up lines. Math teacher ka ba? Kasi you compliment my acute angle. Science teacher ka ba? Kasi you love to experiment with my heart. Valentine's, ano? ELA teacher ka ba? Kasi my verb always agrees with your subject. PE teacher ka ba? Kasi you always warm me up. Special ed teacher ka ba? Kasi puro ka IEP. Intelligence, experience, at forma. Aptea Teacher Awardee ka ba? Kasi ang ganda ng gown mo ngayon. Ang forma. Ang ganda ng makeup, hairs and nails. Pang-famas, pang-Grammy.